All right, so now the question basically comes down to, what is it that I do? What is a health coach, and where would you get some value out of, having one or listening to one? And that basically gets answered, I guess, depending on where you're coming from, because in all reality there's quite a few different health coaches that are out there. And so first, recognizing the differences. I mean, there's some people that are out there that are health coaches that are basically nutritionists. And so they offer value by, giving you the information that you need as far as the food goes, the what to eat. What is it that, I should be consuming that is going to be beneficial for my body that will help me lose weight? And those people are, health coaches, but they specialize in one particular area. And then we also have coaches out there that are more like a personal trainer, where if you needed somebody to help you stay accountable and get to the gym and show you what machines you should be using, and what skill set, or what are the exercises that you need to be doing and how to do them, with the form, and so that you don't injure yourself. Those people are also health coaches, but they kind of specialize on the exercise side of things. And then there's also people out there that are health coaches that maybe represent a franchise or maybe represent a company. And you want to be aware of this too, because there's a lot of them out there, especially now that the industry is starting to grow, where they represent a certain product or they represent a certain company. And so these people, although they're saying that they're health coaches and they're very knowledgeable in the area, they're going to be directing you and gearing you towards a particular brand, maybe a certain type of food to eat or a certain type of exercise to follow, but it's geared towards that company, but still labeled and recognized as a health coach. So there's all these different ones out there. And then there's people that are kind of like me, and I don't really necessarily fall into any of those categories, but I feel like I touch on all of them, maybe except for the business or the franchise. Because I do have a lot of knowledge and education in nutrition, and I also have a serious background in the exercise and the fitness part of it. But what I think holds me kind of different from the others is I also tap into the psychology, because as I mentioned in previous videos, I feel like maybe 20% of the solution is on what it is that you should be doing, and almost a major portion of it, 80%, is how to actually get yourself to follow through, how to break up the old patterns, and it's all in the psychology. And so in addition to answering the questions on what it is I should be eating and how I should be following through and creating a lifestyle, I also teach you how to get there. And so myself as a health coach, I provide those answers. And then the piece that I think is the most important for people is I also provide the accountability and the support. So what I do as a health coach is I get on the phone on a regular basis with my clients, and I basically just say, hey, what challenges are you coming up to this week? We set the course so they know what they want to be doing. And I say, where are you? What obstacles have you been coming up against? Because inevitably, as a process, there's going to be some hurdles along the way. Well, maybe I travel too much, or maybe I can't get myself to do this. And so I help them provide the solutions that they're needing to overcome those challenges along the way, and also provide them with the accountability. For example, if they say that they're going to be doing X, Y, and Z, I'm going to eat a certain way, I'm going to exercise a certain way, then come our phone call, I'm on the phone with them expecting those results. And that's where having someone along the way provides a great level of value as people are making new choices and incorporating new behaviors.